Good evening, Don Keating here from Ohio Weather. We haven't had one of these updates in a while, but we are now. Tonight we have a few items to discuss. As you can see down here in the bottom left-hand corner, we're talking about Irma and Jose. Yes, no way Jose. Remember that. High pressure located curiously over Ohio and amongst the remnants of Irma over east central Ohio, and that does reflect on the current barometric pressure readings. But that's not doing anything to clear our skies. That's for sure. Let's take a closer look at Ohio. We're going to zoom in on the Buckeye State, and then we're going to put things into motion for you. An animated radar. And I want to show you something here with the telestration that we have at our disposal. Use the proper color here to begin with. And we'll show you that now that I've wasted this much of your life on trivial stuff. The center of low pressure, which is what's left of Irma, is approximately in that area right there, not too far from Dayton, and that's moving off to the east-northeast at around 30 miles an hour. Now, as it moves further to the east and to the northeast eventually of Ohio, it will take the rain with it, but it's going to be a little while before that happens. So what you see is what you get. The most concentration of heavier rain is here in northeast Ohio. We can zoom in on that for you and show you what it looks like close up, so that way you can see, if you're in some of these areas, who may be getting affected by this and not. And there's where it's moving through. Move it up a little more. You can. Oops, we don't have the telestration off. Yes, indeed. Don't you love it? Let's clear this. Now let's move it up. Now let's not move it up. Anyway, you can see, yeah, even the best plan never works the way it's supposed to work. Isn't that right, ladies and gentlemen? So, there we go. I knew I could do it. Here's where the heaviest rain is in this area, not too far from Newton Falls and Niles. To the west over here toward Willard and south of Tiffin. That's where the heaviest rain is. I've picked up 21/100ths of an inch of rain in my gauge so far from this. Now, what we're going to do now is go down to the Caribbean Ocean. Wouldn't you like to go to the Caribbean? Well, a lot of people would like to go to the Caribbean. Whether you get there or not is a different story. I don't know that you'd be too wise to get down there now, but let's go to the Caribbean Ocean, shall we? This is Hurricane Jose. That's as far as our isobars plot. Here's Florida, of course. And these are probably some showers from the outer edges of Jose, or some diurnal rain that has hung around after sunset. Now here's the satellite map. This is Jose. Now let's take a look at something here. Let's take a look at where Jose was. What he has done as far as his track is concerned. Where was he? Where did he start? Where is he now? He started way down yonder and in Never Never Land out in the eastern Atlantic Ocean, moved to the northwest as a Cat 4. These numbers are categories, and where he is right here now, as you can see. He's moving southwestward at about 3 miles an hour. So he's making tracks. Maximum winds are 81 miles an hour. Central pressure is 985 millibars, and for you weather junkies, that translates to be approximately 29.09 inches. Certainly not the strongest he's been. Now, what's the official forecast? That's the question that a lot of people have, including some independent individuals on social media. There's been some rumors put out there that Jose is going to nail the east coast of the United States. Those rumors were put out there about 5 days ago, by the way. Here's what the National Hurricane Center is looking at as far as the official forecast is concerned. And we're going between Bermuda and the United States, northeastward. Doesn't look like it's anywhere close to the eastern coast. So let's take a look at the spaghetti models. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, I don't see it anywhere near the eastern coast there either. What about the hurricane cone? Oh, nope. The cone of uncertainty doesn't even bring it within 100 miles of the eastern coast of the United States. And this is a long ways out. Even if you go onto the far extreme western fringe of the cone of uncertainty, it's nowhere near the east. So the point is, it's not the greatest of ideas to make very, very, very long-term forecasts for a hurricane. That is for sure. So let's go back to Ohio for just a brief moment to see what our rain is doing now. Hey, it's still there. What a surprise. Now we're going to put that in motion. And I'm going to close this off by telling you thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your viewing. And you can like and share this post if you would. I would appreciate that as well. It's a little lengthy. I apologize for that. But those are some things that had to be shared and had to be said. You have a great evening, and I'll talk to you again the next time. With Ohio Weather, I'm Don Keating.